Let's review how to make quick edits to your listings using the Nestfully app. We can see from the Home tab, I can access my listings by tapping on the My Listings. This will show me the current listings I have access to. These would be any listings that are in the active under contract, or pending status. I may also have access to some closed listings that have recently closed and I still have the ability to make edits on. To edit or make any changes, I'll simply click on the pencil icon in the top right of the tile for the listing I'm interested in making a change to. I'll click the pencil and it will load that listing for me to make those necessary edits. Now, I will only be able to edit certain fields. I won't have access to the full listing, but this will allow me to make those important changes on the go. I can make an adjustment to the listing price, the listing status. I also can add an open house, or I can edit or remove an open house. At any time that I make a change, I will need to make sure I click Save Changes to make sure that this information filters back over to Bright and updates the listing accordingly. Simply tap in the listing price box to adjust the price. I can simply change that to $278 here. And if I want to come back out, I simply tap on my screen and this will adjust the price. I need to confirm that that amount is correct, and then I can simply come down and click Save Changes. Now, if I do need to make any changes to my listing status, you'll see that I'll be offered certain fields that apply to that status. For instance, if I change back to an active status, I no longer have the additional fields to complete. However, if I choose, say, a contract status, I will need to add some additional information, like if I plan on the listing automatically closing, the close date, the agreement of sale date, and if there's any kickout clause. I'll also be able to look up and add the selling agent that's associated with that contract as well. Once I've made all the necessary changes to my listing, I'll simply click Save Changes. It will confirm those changes. I'll click Save again. And now it will update my listing, not only in the Nestfully app, but in other places that Bright is sharing that listing to. I hope you found this video helpful.